In this video, I will help you find the best $500 headphones in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Bose 700, best for superior sound. The Bose 700 headphones are the ultimate choice for those seeking superior sound quality. With their cutting-edge technology and sleek design, these headphones deliver an unparalleled audio experience. The Bose 700 features 11 levels of adjustable noise cancellation, allowing you to customize your listening experience and block out unwanted distractions. Whether you're in a noisy office or traveling on a crowded train, these headphones will immerse you in your music like never before. Not only do the Bose 700 headphones offer exceptional sound quality, but they also come with built-in Alexa compatibility. This means you can control your music and access information with just your voice. Additionally, the Bose 700 offers a trusted battery life of over 20 hours, ensuring that you can enjoy your favorite tunes all day long without worrying about running out of power. Another standout feature of the Bose 700 is its Bose Simple Sync pairing with the soundbar 500 and 700. This allows you to seamlessly connect your headphones to your soundbar, creating a truly immersive home theater experience. Whether you're watching movies or listening to music, the Bose 700 headphones will transport you to another world with their superior sound quality. At number 4, we have the Bose and Wilkins PX, best for noise cancellation. Bose and Wilkins PX headphones are renowned for their exceptional noise cancellation capabilities. When it comes to blocking out unwanted sounds, these headphones truly excel. The advanced adaptive noise cancellation technology actively analyzes and responds to your environment, ensuring that you can immerse yourself in your music without any distractions. Whether you're in a crowded cafe or on a noisy airplane, the Bose and Wilkins PX headphones will create a serene listening experience. What sets the Bose and Wilkins PX apart from other headphones is its ability to adapt to your surroundings. The headphones automatically adjust the level of noise cancellation based on the ambient noise, allowing you to stay connected to the world around you when needed. Additionally, the PX headphones feature a unique transparency mode that allows you to hear your surroundings without taking off the headphones. This is particularly useful when you need to be aware of your surroundings or have a quick conversation. Not only do the Bose and Wilkins PX headphones provide excellent noise cancellation, but they also deliver exceptional sound quality. With their custom-designed 40mm drivers, the headphones produce rich and detailed audio across the entire frequency range. The bass is deep and punchy, the mids are clear and well-defined, and the highs are crisp and precise. Whether you're a fan of classical music or a lover of heavy bass, the PX headphones will deliver a satisfying listening experience. In terms of comfort, the Bose and Wilkins PX headphones are designed with your comfort in mind. The ear cups are made from soft memory foam that molds to the shape of your ears, providing a snug and comfortable fit. The headband is also adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your head size. You can wear these headphones for hours on end without any discomfort. At number 3, we have the Sennheiser HD 4.50 SE, best for sound performance. After exploring the exceptional noise cancellation capabilities of the Bose and Wilkins PX headphones, let's now shift our focus to the Sennheiser HD 4.50 SE headphones, which are renowned for their outstanding sound performance. The Sennheiser HD 4.50 SE headphones deliver a rich and immersive audio experience, making them a top choice for audiophiles and music lovers. With their closed-back design, these headphones provide excellent isolation, allowing you to fully appreciate the intricate details and nuances in your favorite music tracks. The sound signature is well-balanced, with clear highs, detailed mids, and punchy bass that doesn't overpower the other frequencies. The 4.50 SE headphones also offer a wide soundstage, creating a sense of depth and spaciousness in your audio playback. Whether you're listening to classical music, rock, or electronic beats, these headphones deliver accurate and precise sound reproduction. Additionally, they come with Sennheiser's NoiseGuard active noise cancellation technology, which effectively reduces ambient noise, further enhancing your listening experience. At number 2, we have the Sony WH1000XM3, best for noise cancellation. I must say, the Sony WH1000XM3 headphones are truly exceptional when it comes to noise cancellation. As someone who values peace and quiet, these headphones have become an essential part of my daily life. Whether I'm commuting on a noisy train or working in a bustling coffee shop, The WH1000XM3's industry-leading ANC technology effectively blocks out any unwanted sounds, allowing me to fully immerse myself in my music or focus on my tasks. The virtual soundproofing feature is truly remarkable, creating a serene environment even in the midst of chaos. Additionally, the battery life of over 30 hours ensures that I can enjoy uninterrupted noise cancellation throughout the day without having to constantly recharge. The foldable design and ergonomic comfort make these headphones perfect for traveling, and the Alexa compatibility adds another level of convenience. At number 1, we have the SteelSeries Arctis Pro, best for gaming. The Sony WH1000XM3 headphones have set the standard for noise cancellation, but when it comes to gaming, the SteelSeries Arctis Pro takes the crown. As an avid gamer, I've tried various headphones, and the Arctis Pro stands out for its exceptional gaming performance. One of the standout features of the Arctis Pro is its high-quality audio. The headset delivers immersive sound, allowing me to hear every detail in the game. Whether it's the subtle footsteps of an enemy approaching or the booming explosions, the Arctis Pro delivers a truly immersive gaming experience. In addition to its audio quality, the Arctis Pro also excels in clear communication. The headset features a high-quality microphone that picks up my voice with clarity and eliminates background noise. This is crucial for team-based games where effective communication is essential. Comfort is another area where the Arctis Pro shines. The headset is designed with long gaming sessions in mind, featuring a lightweight and ergonomic design. The adjustable headband and soft ear cushions ensure a comfortable fit, even during extended gameplay sessions. Furthermore, the Arctis Pro offers customizable settings and RGB lighting, allowing me to personalize my gaming experience. Whether it's adjusting the equalizer settings or choosing my preferred lighting effects, the headset offers a level of customization that enhances the overall gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.